A brief biography of the Most Reverend Benny Varghese Idathattil Pulparambil, Bishop of Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. The Most Reverend Benny Varghese Idathattil Pulparambil, a priest of the Diocese of Kohima, serves as the second bishop of the Diocese of Itanagar. Born on April 22nd, 1970 in Nyayapilli near Kodamangalam, Kerala, to the late Varghese Cherian and Annakutti, he spent his childhood in Vadatupara, Kerala. Upon completing his schooling, he joined the Diocese of Kohima to train as a priest. His ecclesiastical studies led him to a number of institutions, including Good Shepherd Seminary, Dimapur for Minor Seminary, St. Peter's Seminary, Tura for Orientation Course, Salesian College, Dimapur for Philosophy, and Orient's Theological College, Shillong for Theological Studies. He was ordained a priest on April 1999. In his pursuit of higher education, he studied at East Asian Pastoral Institute, Manila, Philippines, earning diplomas in pastoral ministry, effective steward leadership. He did his master's in pastoral theology from Ateneo de Manila, Philippines. He held a master's degree in history and Bachelor of Education from Guwahati University. Bishop Benny Varghese Idathattil held several offices as a priest, such as Assistant Parish Priest at St. Thomas Parish, Tuansing, Dean and Administrator at St. Xavier's Seminary, Jaloki, and Director of the Agriculture Training Cum Production Center at Jaloki. His roles also included Secretary to the Bishop of Kohima, Parish Priest and Principal at St. Peter's Church, Kifre, and Administrator at St. Joseph's College, Yakama. He served as the Parish Priest at St. Joseph's Church, Songaluh, and Director of the Newman Pastor Center, and Secretary to the Small Christian Communities and Catechetical Commissions of Northeast India. On June 29, 2023, he was announced as the Bishop of Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. At the time, he was serving as the Director of Youth, SCC Catechetes and Bible Commissions at Newman Pastor Center. He is multilingual, fluent in English, Malayalam, Nagamese, Tagalog, Hindi, and Neshi.
അർപ്പിക്കാം പെസഹാബലിയിൽ അർപ്പിക്കാം, നേദിക്കാം തിരുവത്താഴം നേദിക്കാം, കുരിശിൻ കീഴിൽ ബലിയേകാൻ അണിചേരാം, അർപ്പിക്കാം പെസഹാബലിയിൽ അർപ്പിക്കാം, നേദിക്കാം തിരുവത്താഴം നേദിക്കാം, കുരിശിൻ കീഴിൽ ബലിയേകാൻ അണിചേരാം, ആത്മാവിൽ നേടാം വചനം, ഈശോയിൽ തേടാം ശരണം, മെഴുതിരി നാളം പോലെ എരിഞ്ഞും കൊണ്ടിനി യാഗം തീർത്തിടാം.
വിടുതി